guys, it's Nadine. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're a long-time subscriber. Anyway, today is actually Chinese New Year. That's why I'm wearing red, and that's why I think it's still apt to be making what I will be doing today in today's video, which is a vision board for 2020. So happy Chinese New Year and happy vision board making. So it's actually inspired by a couple of my favorite YouTubers to be making a vision board because I've never made a vision board. I don't know how many times I've said the word vision board. I never made one ever. So yeah, I was inspired by Amanda Rach Lee, Amy Lee, and Lavender. They are some of my favorite YouTubers, and yeah, I just really like the idea of having a vision board. It just allows you to see or have a clear vision of what you want your dream of what you want your life to be like, and it allows you to have like a specific time to just dream about life. And you guys know how I'm a naturally optimistic person, so this is just something that resonates with me. So if you guys want to make a vision board too, then let's make one together. Yeah. So for my vision board, I'm actually going to utilize my grid thing behind me right here as my vision board. For the past 3 or I don't know 4 years that I've had this up, I've only changed it up like 2 times, I feel like, and I've always just used it as a decorative piece for my room. But this year I want to change it up and make it into something that is more inspiring and more meaningful to me. We're just gonna go through the process, and hopefully you guys like this video and like doing this with me. If you decide on making your own vision board, you should tag me and I want to see what you guys come up with. Yeah, okay, let us begin. Ooh, okay. I'll bring you guys in, of course. So the first step that we have to do is remove everything from this wall. Alright, so we're gonna start off here at the top of my grid. I have like some old like school like stuff from college. So this is actually a film photo from college. Yes, I still actually wear that exact outfit. Not much has changed. This is from graduation. Like, it's not really a medal, it's just something that they put on your neck. I don't know what it's called. I'm not really a dream catcher person. Actually, I don't know where I got this. The only time that I was Dean's List in college. And yes, I put it on my wall to inspire me that yes, I can be the Dean's List if I wanted to. So yeah, these 3 things, I don't know, it's like college things. I really did enjoy college, but I just feel like I've been holding on to these things for way too long. I've been graduated for almost 2.5 years, so it's like about time for me to just move on and stop thinking about college. I have a Polaroid from Siargao, so I might keep this or put it in a journal or something. This is a super old painting that I did of the moon. Yes, I did it way back in 2015. I wrote it. I might just stick it in a journal. So basically everything that was on here, I will just stick it in a bullet journal. Okay, one half is clean. Moving on to this other half. Alright, so this is kind of embarrassing, but I don't like putting my snacks on tables because ants will go eat them. So I put it up on my grid. Like, this is actually a thing I do. It's kind of embarrassing. And it's really bad because it ends up just being there for the longest time. And this has been on here since 2019. So I have to throw this out. Like, yeah. So I have a lot of like old glasses and sunnies that I don't really use. Can I be honest with you guys? I'm not a fan of shades. Like, I think they're cute, like when you take a photo of them, they're cute, but I don't wear contacts, so whenever I wear shades, I literally can't see anything. I only like it when I'm in the beach, I guess, so that the sun won't like damage my eyes. But yeah, honestly, I'm not really a sunglass wearer. I would put them back here, so yeah, don't judge. I'm obviously very into pink eyewear, so yes. Tata. Perry the platypus. This is also from college. Like, a professor gave each one of us a print, and I got a duck. So cute. Oh my gosh. Persevere, feed your passion. He's like the best prof. I have this drawing that I made of hands. Yeah, I think I'll just throw this out. It's been a while and it's not that good. It's the day 6 lanyard. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna like still have it there. So it's now empty behind me. It's super clean. I actually like it empty. Maybe it's like a metaphor for like new beginnings or just having a nice clean slate. Now I'm gonna clean it up because I haven't wiped this in the 4 or 3 years that it has been up here. So I'm gonna give it a nice clean wipe down, and then we're gonna start like sticking the photos, the new photos that I have on here. Eee. So I think it's as clean as it's gonna get. It's time for the fun part. We're gonna stick up some new pictures for my vision board 2020. Yeah, I have some photos that I actually printed out. So I just searched them on Pinterest, printed them out, and cut them up. And yeah, that's the material that we're gonna be using. And also some like random photo cards, etc. I just printed out things that inspired me. I tried to be intentional about it. I'm just gonna start sticking them up. Alright, so I'm done with the vision board. I'm gonna take you guys through it. I really like how it looks. I feel like the vibe is just very me, very fresh, and I feel a lot more inspired just by looking at it. So let me just go in depth, change this camera. Okay, yes. Alright, here is a pan overview. Very pink and warm tones, and also some cool tones. Just very me, I feel. Okay, so let's just start. I started on this side. I printed this photo because of the vibe and because of how clean the room is. And y'all know that I am such a messy person, so hopefully this year I could be a bit more organized. This next photo is also of a room, and it's more of a vibe to me. Like when I look at this photo, I just feel really warm and ready to create. I just like how a photo can evoke this sort of feelings to me. This is just a quote. It says, "Nothing changes if nothing changes." I printed this because my job, we do a lot of photography and like styling of things, and yeah, it just inspires me to do better in terms of creating like better visuals for brands. This is actually a print that I made of Jay. It just says, "Hi, I'm a chicken." Harry Styles. I just really like the album art and the photos from his latest album. I got this poster just from Tower Records when I went to Japan. This is another quote that says, "Put your heart and soul into every activity you do as though you are doing it for the Lord himself." And that's just something that I want to remind myself of every single day. Everything that I do is for him. Of course, I need a bit of a buju inspo photo. I just really like how everything is cohesive. A nice photo of nature, just fields, flowers. My favorite photo of Yoongi. He's just, I love this photo, first of all, and he's really hardworking, and especially in Bon Voyage, the latest season, I just really like him. Yeah, he wrecked me. This is another quote. It says, "Practicing forgiveness and unconditional self-love." I think that is the journey we're all in, just loving ourselves, accepting ourselves, and coincidentally, BTS's message is somewhat similar to that. So yes, this is something about fear again. Feel the fear and do it anyways. I printed this photo of this girl just lifting weights. I don't do CrossFit at all, but I do like weightlifting sometimes, and honestly, I've been so lazy the past few months. I really need to get back on the fitness train, so I printed this photo, and the girl just looks really strong and focused, and I need to have that discipline. I love this photo. Oh my gosh. I just got this on Pinterest. I love this print. It just says jar of gratitude, and it just reminds me to always be thankful. And then a photo of the sunset at the beach. It's a vibe. I love it. I also included my Day 6 Gravity lanyard. I super admire Jay and the journey that he is on. He is so open. Like, as an idol, I feel like he's just so open to his fans, and he really takes the fans along with him in his journey. Yeah, I just love him. And I just returned some sunnies to add stuff. But yeah, this is the final overview of my 2020 vision board. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope it was something that kind of inspired you to make your own vision board and just clearly see like your inspirations. For me, it's not really negative of me like comparing myself to others. It's more inspiring. Like, it encourages me to be better and to like progress as an individual and like continually aim for improvement. Thank you so much for watching this little video, and I hope that if you guys do make your own vision boards, do tag me because I really want to see what you guys are into, and I'll see you guys in my next video. This video was from my heart to yours. Bye!
If you play your cards right